الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه وأهل بيته أجمعين. Dear audience, in this contemporary era, it has become a fashion, a mentality that if a person wears short dresses, even the dresses which are torn or the dresses which are not enough to cover the parts of the body, the private parts. So people think that it is a sign of prosperity or being on high level. Today I felt it better that to understand whether this is the sign of prosperity, peace and tranquility, or the sign of failure, sign of punishment and wrath of Allah. Just listen to the ayat which are available in different places of the glorious Quran and related to the story of our beloved Prophet, the first mankind, Adam alayhi salatu wassalam. When Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wassalam was given very good opportunity to stay in paradise, and because of the mistake in initiative, that is called ijtihadi mistake, that was not on purpose, that was not with deliberation, but it took place, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ordered Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wassalam and his beloved wife to go out of paradise. That time their dresses started getting removed from their bodies and they felt ashamed and they started covering their bodies by leaves. Today, by listening to these ayat and translations, we will come to know that covering the part of the body is the honor, is the respect and dignity of mankind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, يا بني آدم قد أنزلنا عليكم لباسا يواري سوآتكم وريشا ولباس التقوى ذلك خير ذلك من آيات الله لعلهم يذكرون. O children of Adam, we have bestowed upon you clothing to conceal your private parts and as adornment, but the clothing of righteousness, that is best. That is from the signs of Allah that perhaps they will remember. And he says, يا بني آدم لا يفتننكم الشيطان كما أخرج أبويكم من الجنة ينزع عنهما لباسهما ليريهما سوآتهما إنه يراكم هو وقبيله من حيث لا ترونهم إنا جعلنا الشياطين أولياء للذين لا يؤمنون. O children of Adam, don't let Satan tempt you as he removed your parents from paradise, stripping them of their clothing to show them their private parts. Indeed, he sees you, he and his tribe, from where you don't see them. Indeed, we have made the devils allies to those who don't believe. And he says, وَإِذَا فَعَلُوا فَاحِشَةً قَالُوا وَجَدْنَا عَلَيْهَا آبَاءَنَا وَاللَّهُ أَمَرَنَا بِهَا قُلْ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يَأْمُرُ بِالْفَحْشَاءِ أَتَقُولُونَ عَلَى اللَّهِ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. And when they commit an immorality, they say, we found our fathers doing it and Allah has ordered us to do it. Say, indeed, Allah doesn't order immorality. Do say about Allah that which you don't know. In these three ayat of Surah Al-A'raf, ayat 26, 27 and 28, this reality has been exposed, that to wear short dresses or the dresses which are not going to cover the private parts of the body, especially satar. This is not the sign of development, prosperity. Rather, it is the sign of failure, the sign of being punished by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the sign of encountering the wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has said that this is nothing but mischief of Satan, that Satan misguides you and he puts before you the logics, the wisdoms which seems to be wisdoms, but behind these wisdoms, satanic wisdoms, there is a permanent failure, ever persisting wrath of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Therefore, we should never think that we are going to be developed, prosper because of using this short or dresses in which we are semi-naked. May Allah prohibit. We may be led to be fully naked. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.